Yeah, world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another video for y'all, man. Now today on my YouTube channel, we talking about Sprizzy, more specifically how to promote a 10-minute YouTube video. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm posting more valuable content like this every single day, man. So first, we want to start off, why should you make 10-minute YouTube videos? Now, this is something that's going around as it was little known knowledge at first, but it's something that's being promoted heavy now. Make videos longer than 10 minutes, 10 minutes plus at least 10 minutes. You know, it does something to the YouTube algorithm. The watch time increase. You're able to add ad breaks. This is something when it comes to monetization. You know, I know a lot of content creators, they tell you, you know, oh, don't add as many ad breaks, but YouTube is a smart, intelligent robot. You can add as many ad breaks. I'm very generous with my ad breaks because even though you may add 100 ad breaks in a video, YouTube, the bot, it knows when to naturally break it. It knows when to add a ad in, you know, naturally. So be generous with the ad breaks. It can increase your revenue on YouTube. Also, when you make 10-minute videos, you get more YouTube recommendations. So when you have a high watch time combined with a high click-through rate, that signals the YouTube algorithm and it begins to recommend your video next to other videos. And that's one of the main promotion tactics to get more views, more subscribers, you know, and more income on YouTube. So we're going to be going over how to promote these type of videos. Say, you know, it's a lot going on YouTube. You know, a lot of new content creators are becoming aware of the platform and everybody is running to YouTube. So you got to stand out. And the way to stand out is to promote yourself, to invest in yourself, because a lot of people are just, you know, coming in here, and a lot of people already have established followings on different platforms like Instagram, you know, Twitter. So it may be easier for them to build or, you know, build a fan base on here and, you know, gain viewership that way. But if you were a new, smaller channel like how I am, you know, you gotta promote yourself. So using Sprizzy, how to promote longer videos, we're gonna be doing two different type of searches. There's two main ways you promote a 10-minute video. It's through the YouTube search promotion and through YouTube related video promotion. Now, you use Google Keyword Planner to find your keywords on your YouTube videos, and it's so valuable. I believe like a lot of people be hiding this too. This like a hidden, you know, a hidden method a lot of people use on Google Ads. You know, when you're an advertiser, when you run ad campaigns, you know about this, but a lot of YouTubers don't talk about this as a way of finding keywords. I'm gonna make a whole dedicated video. I know I talk about this a lot on my videos, but you find your keywords here. You know, you find your keywords on Google Keyword Planner, and that's why I have that listed right here. So we're gonna be promoting a 10-minute video through the YouTube search. Now, YouTube related video is when you already want an engaged viewer, you know, already watching a video and you want your video to be recommended next. YouTube search is a more organic, you know, when people are searching keywords and you want your video to be the first video they see. That's the YouTube search promotion. So we're gonna be doing the YouTube search promotion because on my channel analytics, I get like naturally about 60% of my traffic comes from the YouTube search, like just people searching keywords. So I was noticing this video right here, how to turn 100 into 5,000 using propeller ads and max bounty. It was getting more views, like it was just gaining more traction. And I went into the back end and I saw that it has a CPM of $148. So my goal, because what happens when you promote videos through YouTube ads, like whatever the CPM is of that video, you know, even though when you promote it and it's monetized, you know, even though you're paying for promotion, you get AdSense dollars back, you know, when people click through and watch the video and ads are in it. If it's a 10-minute video, you got ad breaks, you get paid for those monetized playbacks. So my goal and my belief, my theory is like promote a video with a higher CPM. You know, you will get more return back on your investment, and you know, the video with a higher CPM has a better chance of entering YouTube's algorithm, so it can organically grow, you know, without you having to advertise as much. You know, I just believe it. Some videos just need an initial push, you know, and YouTube algorithm will notice that and pick up on it and, you know, naturally promote it and rank it. So that's why you want to use keywords too from Google Keyword Planner and rank it. Let's just say make money online so you can see this. See, look. Now, these keywords, the competition is high, but you can find different ones, like different long-ended keywords that have a good amount of monthly searches, and the competition is low to medium. Higher competition, you can get slot, but you know, let's see. I'm also tagging Max Bounty, YouTube ads. Let's see. These are some of the keywords I'm gonna use. See, Max Bounty, that's good, like 1 to 10K. I'll see in the back end, they charging $1 a click, but I'm getting 148, you know, per 1,000 views. So we about to run this campaign. Let's get it. All right. So I got it set up right here in Sprizzy. You just go to YouTube search, and right here, so you can select, you know, it's 3 different type of modes. Like YouTube search, that's what I was telling y'all. YouTube search is for when you want to be found for certain keywords and you want to be the first video shown. You know, YouTube related is when you want an engaged viewer already. You want somebody that's already watching the video and you want your video to be next shown, you know. The commercial, this is when you want to promote your channel. You know, you want to have a 1-minute video and you want to promote your channel because this video will be shown before somebody. It will be shown as a skippable ad. So you want to make a interesting video, 1-minute video explaining, you know, your brand and, you know, what you bring it to the table, and get people to click through and subscribe to your channel. You know, that's what the commercial is for. So right now we're gonna be running a YouTube search ad, and you know, the primary goal besides views is subscribers. Targeting, you want to target, well, you want to target all English speaking countries. So that's what I do. I target United States, Australia, United Kingdom, and Canada. And you know, these are my tags right here. I'm gonna remove my name. These are my tags. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know why Sprizzy needs to, something is wrong with the API in the back end. Y'all we can't add tags, but it pulls the tags from your video. So that's why I recommend you know, using Google Keyword Planner to make your YouTube tags on your videos, and you know, it'll automatically pull your existing keywords. But these are some good existing keywords. You know, when people search a Max Bounty tutorial, Max Bounty 2020, Mr. Opulent, he's a big YouTuber in the field of CPA marketing. So you want to, when you pick your keywords, you want to not only target, you know, the keyword itself, but you want to target, you know, different channels that have audiences that you know it'll be interested in your content. So, you know, it takes research, it takes a lot of planning and studying, but you can execute a lot of this. Don't let none of this scare you. You can do this. It's easy. Next, we go into the budget. So click on that. Now the budget for this, 25. Minimum is 30. We're gonna do 30. Start immediately. You know, I know it's Sunday, it's 1:34 a.m. right now, but you know, it takes 24 hours for them to approve the campaign, And I'm just planning for this upcoming week. I'm planning for Monday. You know what I'm saying? Like this whole week leading into the release of my EP. I just want to have a lot of promotion. I'm gonna be doing another video because I'm gonna be promoting music through Sprizzy, showing y'all how to do that also. So we about to do it $30 right here. You can get more if you spend $100. Let's see what you would get if you spend $100. How many views? See, I get a lot of views, 2,500. Yeah, to 4,000. That's why I'm about to be using Sprizzy so heavy this year. I'm just glad I got exposed to this. And if y'all don't know, Sprizzy uses YouTube ads, Sprizzy uses Google ads directly. It's just an easier, more simpler way for people to just come in here. They connect initially to your YouTube account, so you have to sign up. Let me enter. Oh, I'll keep 30. All right, now save. Save and continue. Continue to PayPal. Now we about to pay this out, and I'll be back. Do better. You can do better. You can do better. All right, y'all. Now we done did it, man. You know what I'm saying? We just did it. Last step, link your YouTube. I have linked my YouTube. Hold on, I was just talking. All right, now we got it all, approved. It take one business day to approve. You know what I'm saying? So we just sent it through, and that's how you promote a 10-minute video. Just to go back over, why you want to create 10-minute videos is for watch time. You're able to add more ad breaks. Once again, be very generous with your ad breaks. YouTube is your network, your business, man, and it allows you to make more money. When you make 10-minute videos, YouTube recommends you more. How to promote longer videos on Sprizzy. You want to do a YouTube search promotion, and YouTube search promotion is when you want to be first on those certain keywords that you've researched on Google Keyword Planner. Remember Google Keyword Planner, look that up. If you don't have a Google Ads account, you have to create it, but you can look up Google Keyword Planner. But you'll rank first for those keywords and those search results. So YouTube related video is when you appear next as the next video for an engaged watcher already. So people that's already watching video, you'll be in the lineup to be shown next first a lot. So it's your boy Yon World. I hope y'all learned a lot from this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you gain any knowledge from this video, comment, let me know. I will reply to you. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.